Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Categorize the following function as not a function, a one-to-one function, or a many-to-one function. And we've been given a diagram showing a parabola constructed on a pair of axes in a two-dimensional plane. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. A function type is determined based on how the inputs and outputs of a function behave together. If a function is one-to-one, every single input value has its own unique output. For a many-to-one function, there are multiple different input values that can result in the exact same output. Sometimes a single input value gives us two different answers, which represents a relation and not a function. If a function passes the vertical line test, we can confirm that it is a function. In other words, the vertical line should only intersect the graph once. Then, by performing the horizontal line test, we can determine the type of function. If it passes the horizontal line test and intersects the graph once, it is a one-to-one function. If it fails, it is a many-to-one function. Since the question has already told us that the graph represents a function, we can draw a horizontal line to test if it is a one-to-one function. The horizontal line intersects the graph twice. That means it has failed the horizontal line test, where the horizontal line should only intersect the graph once. So the function we've been given is not a one-to-one function, but, in fact, a many-to-one function, where two different input values give us the same output. As an extension to this question, what if we had a perfectly straight diagonal line, such as the function y equal to x? Would that be a one-to-one function or a many-to-one function? Use the horizontal line test and leave your answer in the comments. So the function given to us and the answer to this question is an example of a many-to-one function. Please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads for daily maths content.